Hi everyone! These are my latest interests. I got some crystals. These were suggested by the lady in the shop as the crystals for my sun sign. They are amethyst, clear quartz, and citrine. I researched a combination when I got home, and apparently this is one of the best crystal combination. Let's recharge those energies. Changing the books on the shelves near my desk. I occasionally update these shelves to have a different set of inspiration books, so I can look at or browse through them while working. Changing the books also changes the environment a bit. Once by Heikala, Wonder by Beatrice Blue, Moonlight Travelers by Kentin Blake, Wave by Susie Lee, The Boy by Oliver Jeffers, and The Dam Keeper by Robert Kondo and Dice Tutumi. Just some of my favorite artists, authors, illustrators. The Secret Garden by Maria Chiara Di Giorgio, illustrated by, and another version of The Little Prince. What are your current favorite books? I have always wanted to try a quill brush. Finally got one and it looks like a wand. Let's see what magic spells we can cast with this. I also added these pads to my art supplies. These were the only set of oil pastels they had when I visited. Not as good as the ones I got from Daiso though. But they had a few individual Van Gogh oil pastels, so I got several to try. These are more pigmented than the other set. I have known about the ceramic cafe since I moved to Dubai. Finally decided to go in and painted my own ceramic plate. I love how it turned out, and I love the vibe of the place. Everyone was happy to be there painting. It has been a while since I last went here. The food was pricey. Hearts all around. And back to our default cafe. This is the current desk situation and practice sketches. And the recent planned addition to the studio. I'm currently loving these sunset shadows to compensate for the cloudless summer skies here. This was weeks ago, visited an art residency space. Their studios were a beautiful chaos of finished artwork on clean brushes and work in progress. These are just wow and amazing. Favorite landscape on a road trip? Got a bit lost but saw these camels up close by the roadside. See how proud they look. Sunsets before the clouds disappear for about 8 to 10 months. Still grateful